and welcome to today's tip. Now I have masked off a bit of white cardstock with some washi tape here, and I'm just put some extra pieces of paper down because it's a little washi tape is not as wide as I want it to be. And I've got a Love You on two different acrylic blocks here, one in capitals and one in lowercase. And what I'm going to do is just richly put down get all of the ink onto my stamps and just start to sort of have it layering on and off from the border. I've just got another little section that I'm going to mask, which is going to have the U in it, and that's going to sit in the middle so that all the love stamps can't get through to this section here. Okay, so I've got that nice section there, and then I'm just going to carry on adding the word love all the way down. Now I'm going in with my archival, I love this colour, it's called Fossilized Amber. And just doing the same thing. Okay, so there we have our letters, and they look absolutely gorgeous like that, but the absolute top of this is going to be adding a nice purple, this is Majestic Violet, right in the middle here. Actually, I feel like a bright red, so I'm going to mix it with, I've got rhubarb stalk here, I'm going to add some of that in. I think the red will look a lot better. Alright, I'm going to pick up a bit of both here, and then I'm going to stick that in the middle of the hole. There we go. How gorgeous is that? I think it needs to be mounted on some nice bright paper. I am just going to trim it down a bit and then it's done. Okay, just to finish this card off and make this really stand out, I'm just going to draw a really relaxed sort of border around that component, and I'm also going to add it around here, just to really finish it off and give it a bit of a funky, modern theme to it, like so. So easy to do. I love playing around with the doodling afterwards. It really does finish it off. So thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.